Hello, and welcome to our UKG Ready Dashboards and Hubs mini-series. My name is Kristen Hugg, a Customer Marketing Program Manager for UKG Ready. This mini-series will focus on dashboard functionality available in the UKG Ready system. In this session, we'll explore the building blocks to a successful dashboard experience. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the functionality that will help build your dashboards from the ground up, the building blocks. We have three key building blocks: the Content Widget Library, the Dashboard Tab Library, and the Dashboard Layout Profile. Each of these functions in the Ready dashboard experience build upon each other to get you to the final desired dashboard experience you want to share with your employees. Let's start with the Content Widget Library. Here we are in the Content Widget Library. You'll find this as a report view with all of the content widgets created in your system. It shows where those widgets are being used, when it was created and by who, as well as when they've been modified and by who. The library can also be used to find widgets that can be used across different dashboard tabs instead of recreating them each time you want to add it to a different dashboard. From here, you can create new content widgets that will provide you the flexibility to share your own content that helps promote your organization's culture and branding. In the content widgets, you can also embed items such as videos, images, PDF viewers, maps, weather, and more. Not only can you create new widgets, you can also clone already created widgets if you want to make minor modifications without losing the history or the content from the previously created widget. Since all of your content widgets are stored in the library, you can easily modify the current widgets to always have the most up-to-date information to share with your employees. Once you have created your content widgets, you're ready to start adding them to your dashboard tabs. And what better way to add those content widgets to your dashboard tabs than using the Dashboard Tab Library? Similar to the Content Widget Library, the Dashboard Tab Library provides a report view of all the dashboard tabs created in the system and the details around each tab. From here, you can also see where each of the tabs are being used in the different layout profiles. Since there are 5 different tab types: Custom Tab, Company Hub Tab, Pre-boarding Tab, Onboarding Tab, and First Day Package Tab, you can filter the report by the tab type as well. The Custom and Company Hub tabs can be added to the dashboard layout profiles, and the Pre-boarding, Onboarding, and First Day Package tabs are all added in the onboarding profile. From the library, you can assign and unassign the tabs to the different layout profiles. This can be done to both individual profiles or by adding to multiple profiles at a time. New tabs can be created from the library, and current tabs can also be modified and cloned to work through updates. One of the great things about the Dashboard Tab Library is the tabs can be managed from here without having to go into each individual profile. You even have the ability to use edit mode to update content. Then once the updates are made, you can preview what the tab will look like by turning off the edit mode before publishing any changes. Once the changes are published, they will be reflected on all of the profiles that the tab is assigned to. Now you have your tabs created, and maybe you've assigned them to the dashboard layout profiles you'll use them on. So to bring it all together, we'll navigate to the dashboard layout profile. Once in the dashboard layout profile listing, you'll see all the building blocks come together. If you recall, the Dashboard Tab Library gave you the ability to access and utilize the content widgets. Now, with the Dashboard Layout Profile, will give you the ability to access both the Content Widget Library and the Dashboard Tab Library. See how they build upon each other? The Dashboard Layout Profile is the central house of what displays on the overall dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see the settings to make your dashboards work the way you want for you and your employees. Let's take a quick tour of the components of the dashboard layout profiles. You'll see several settings at the bottom of the page to enable and disable the different tab types. In the dashboard layout profiles, you can control the visibility of the Company Hub, Domain, Custom, and My Dashboard tabs. To assist users with their daily tasks such as approvals, birthdays, and anniversaries, and other open items needing attention that day, the Today's Tasks feature provides just that. You can also choose which Today's Tasks appear in each profile. Now, when you scroll back up a bit, you'll see the Layout section. From here, you can schedule different layouts and content to appear at different times, such as your peak seasons like open enrollment. This can help save time during those busy periods by creating content and dashboard tabs in advance and setting an effective date in which that content will appear. To access which tabs will appear in the dashboard, click on the current schedule. From here, you can preview and manage your layouts. You can add different company hub and custom tabs that you have configured or add new content to the layouts. The dashboard will open to the last visited tab as the default, but with the company hub being an important way to communicate your culture to your employees, you have the ability to choose a company hub tab to appear as the first tab upon entry to viewing the dashboard. Once any of the updates you have made are finalized, or when you're ready to launch your dashboard, you can use the connection to the announcements feature to send a message and/or pop-up communicator introducing you new content. You can even make it specific to the users assigned to a certain dashboard layout profile by using the Visible To filters and setting it to the specific dashboard layout profile. One more setting that I want to point out in the dashboard layout profile is the ability to enable a Start menu item as the main dashboard screen when accessing the mobile app. The Start menu icons will appear as they log in and when they have to navigate back to the home screen. This feature helps employees get the items they need without having to access the menu based on their favorites configurations. It may also make users feel visually comfortable while using the mobile app because the layout looks like their smartphone apps and then can easily select the category and page they want to navigate to. While this Start menu will be the user's default view of the dashboard if enabled, they still have access to other dashboard views as well. Now you have all the building blocks to get you started with building your own dashboard experience. Thank you for tuning in to the UKG Ready Dashboard and Hubs mini-series. I hope this walkthrough provided you with the details on the different dashboard and hub functionality available to you in the UKG Ready system. We have several resources available on our UKG Ready community pages and in the online documentation, including the Charts, Reports, and Dashboards user guide and the Company Hub user guide. Be sure to check those out as well.